very, very angry, and the wind is going mad. I mean, I know it's no nice fancy new chicken coop, but it's dry in here. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since you guys have seen me behind the camera. Nicola's just been doing a good job doing it on her own, so you'll notice that I have some changes here. I'm getting a little furrier, a little hairier, and I even got the straw hat going. So we're really taking this homesteading thing to heart. We sure are embracing the homesteading life. Yeah. So for today, what we're going to be doing in this video is we have chickens coming, laying chickens.
Yeah, we're really excited to have chickens again. We used to have chickens years ago, but the dogs got to them with them being bird dogs. So we need to have something that is secure and something that is going to be able to keep the dogs out.
Yeah. Number 4,973 reason why you need a tractor. Now I don't know where to put this stuff though. Where are we going to put this stuff? Garden. That's true. These cedar rails, they're actually my grandpa's cedar rails. They were on his original farm, and then some of them were moved from there to my mom and dad's house, and then from my mom and dad's house to our house. So we're thinking we're going to completely close in the new garden with cedar rails. So since cedar can be out in the weather, let's pile it over there. Alright, so that's got the base pretty level. We'll still have to do some work with the rake and with the shovel and just kind of get it all even out towards the woodshed. But that's where it's going to be. Alright, so this is the famous Neighbor Ray. You've heard about some of the videos I've talked about Neighbor Ray. This is Neighbor Ray. So we have this Portland cement, and basically what that is it's the glue in the cement. So we have that. We have a whole bunch of sand and gravel. So we're going to be mixing 4 parts sand and gravel to 1 part Portland cement and the water. We've got the cement mixer over there. We're going to mix it in here and then dump it in. That's going to be our cement pad. So it's a 7x10 cement pad, and we're hoping we're going to be able to beat the rain. It says there's a 60% chance of rain, and the weatherman is always right, so
I think we can. We're good.
Here we go.
So the trick is to get the same size shovel full out of that.
Yep. Maybe a little more.
Yeah. push down hard. There you go. Push it right in line and push down hard.
All right, well, we had to quit. We decided to do it in like crazy, crazy weather. The clouds are very, very angry, and the wind is going mad. So we've got some of the concrete poured here, maybe about, I don't know, 30% maybe, but we're gonna have to stop here and then put a layer on top. It's a chicken coop. It should be okay. What do you think, chickens? I mean, I know it's no nice fancy new chicken coop, but it's dry in here. It should be okay. Hey? Not good. Quickly went and got the motor off of the cement mixer. There's my bucket of screws. Ray?
Rained out.
Nicola went and raced and got the dogs put away. All right, so we're back at it. We've got a little break in the weather. It's the same day, same night. It is way cooler. And we got the cement going in. We found out that the Portland cement, that's the mix, it's kind of the glue that holds all of the cement together. We didn't have enough of, so Nicola's off going to get some more of that. Neighbor Ray, he's off going to get some more gravel. This pad is a lot more than what we thought it was going to be for the amount of cement that it's using, but things are going well.
I'm stuck.
Oh boy.
Stuck in the cement.
Oh boy. We're gonna have to keep feeding Ray.
Put me a tent.
What are we gonna do when he has to go to the bathroom though?
Turn away.
Run away.
Looks it. Hey. Good girl.
So that is it. That was a ton of work. I had no idea how much work pouring concrete was. I also had no idea how many of these loads of cement we were going to dump. I have no idea how many they were. I would guess 40 to 50 of these. But yeah, it was an experience. I don't know if I'll do it again. It might be easier just to call in a cement truck, but definitely cheaper to do it this way. So that's it. So what's today? Well, we'll probably post this on Friday. So we'll have another video ready for you with the framing up, and that'll be the following Friday. So check in next week. Thanks so much for watching. It's spending the time out in the homestead with us. If you enjoy this type of video, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button on your way out. Otherwise, we'll see you next week. All right, talk to you later. Bye.